so much caffeine with coffee that my body started rejecting it. My spirit started rejecting
What's up, y'all? As you can see, I'm in the house. I've been in the house a lot lately and just feeling restless. Like, not even restless, tired. Uh, like I should be doing something productive. So I go on the computer and then start attempting to do that, and then there's all types of not little nuances that are really irritating, really frustrating. So I was just sitting here watching one of my YouTubers, and I fell asleep on them. What woke me up was them singing. So yeah, here we are, and still tired. I still feel tired, but something's telling me to go outside. I need to go outside. I'm like, usually there's a pump up the block that be open. I don't know about y'all, but I still like to run through the pump like a kid. So that's what I'm about to go do. Oh yes, still feel just as good as when I was little. Still feel just as good. Well worth it. Well worth it. I made it, y'all, to my tree friend. This is what happens when your tree friend calls you. So you gotta come outside, basically. I was gonna take a nap, but I guess there were other plans for my life because now I'm outside. Even wipe the cold out my eye, okay? I said I was taking a nap. But yeah, so I'm outside now. Outside, right next to my tree friend. Of course, Biggie is surrounded by people, which is fine. The closest people are my brothers. So that's cool. That's chill. They barbecuing. That good smell of charcoal in the air, you know? So yeah, I'm chilling. And yeah, there's a baby walking away from his family. I'm waiting to see at what point they're gonna get up and get him. I don't know. Yeah, but I guess they just let him wander, which is all right as long as he don't go towards the street. But that's the way he looked like he's headed. Um, yeah. So I got a little cooled off from running through the pump, which is always still fun, like a kid. Yep, I did that. I still do that. The pump makes me feel the same way seeing people jumping rope makes me feel. I have to jump in. 7 o'clock on the dot. I need to just record myself walking down the street at this point just to show you the amount of people that just get close for no reason or a reason that's beyond me. Y'all hear that?